morning, my name is Hiya Patel from grade 6 from Anandiketan, Maninagar. And today my topic is rest and motion. Rest. If an object is constant according to the stationary object in its surrounding, then it is said to be at rest. Motion. When an object is moving according to the stationary object in its surrounding, then it is said to be in motion. Well, rest and motion are relative terms. They both depend on each other. Coming on to motion, there are multiple types of motion. But through this project, we are going to study 3 types of motion, which are translatory motion, vibratory motion, and rotatory motion. So, let's understand the parts first. This is a cell which is the source of energy, then the motor with wires. Wires are the conductor of energy, and the motor which follows vibratory motion and also makes the fan rotate. Now, fan, it follows rotatory motion. Well, let me assemble this. Yes, so let's see it rotate. Just a minute. So as you can see that it rotates. Now there is also a translatory motion in it. When the fan rotates due to the wind, it also moves. Let's see. Just a minute. Let's connect this to the wire. As we can see that it moves. So this also shows translatory motion. When all the parts of an object moves the same distance in a given time, then it is translatory motion. There are 2 types of translatory motion: rectilinear and curvilinear. When the object moves in a straight line, then it is a rectilinear, and if it moves in a curved line or a curved path, then it is a curvilinear. Now, as we have studied circular motion, rotatory motion, let's also see its definition. When an object moves according to a fixed axis without changing its position, then it is rotatory motion. Vibratory motion. The motion in which a part or parts of an object always remains fixed or do not move while the rest of the rest of the object moves into one flow definite pattern, then it is vibratory motion. Now let's see a different project. Now let's take this car as this clock as an example. When you see the second hand of it, we can see that it changes its position and it follows a circular path, so it's a circular motion. When an object follows a circular path, then it is known as circular motion. Now let's understand the remaining motions in this car. So then it is oscillatory motion. As we can see, the windshield wiper of this car, it moves to and fro, as we can see, so it is a oscillatory motion. When part of an object moves to and fro, then it is oscillatory motion. Now, periodic. Again, the windshield wiper, to be an example of this, when, to be specific, in an auto mode, it moves to and fro in a definite type, in a time of interval, that it is called periodic motion. So, when we set it on the auto mode, to be specific, periodic motion. When an object repeats itself according to a interval of time, then it is called periodic motion. Well, non-periodic motion. When we move the car or when the driver of the car starts it, then it is non-periodic motion. The live example of it is blinking of our eyes. We do not blink our eyes after an interval of time, so that it is a non-periodic motion. So, again, the last is multiple motion. As we studied trace the bug and trace the bug and the car, it had a multiple motion. So it is an example of multiple motion. Well, that was my topic. Hope you learned something new and enjoyed it. Thank you.